Welcome for a beautiful deep Anapanasati meditation. Anapanasati meditation was taught by Gautam Buddha. It's very simple. Ana means incoming breath, Pana means outgoing breath, Sati means to become one with your breath. It's a very scientific meditation. It works on laws which I'll explain later during the meditation. This is the meditation through which 90 to 95% of the people have got enlightenment. Those who have got enlightenment, 90 to 95% of those have got through this meditation, Anapanasati meditation. Right, so we'll give it a shot today to touch up your consciousness, to go deep within, to get the glimpse of divinity, of God, of nature, of that supreme power, whatsoever you like to call it. Right, so before that it's important to activate our heart center, our heart chakra. Heart chakra is in the center of our chest, right at the center of our chest. So we'll take a few breaths right at the center of our chest and breathe out, and then we'll enter Anapanasati meditation, right? So I'll request you all, slowly, gently close your eyes. Slowly, gently close your eyes. Become aware of your breaths. Become aware of your breaths. The breath going in and the breath coming out. The breath going in and the breath coming out. Right. Now consciously take your breaths only till your heart center of your chest. Breath in to the heart center and breath out from the heart center. Don't take your breaths below that. Only till your heart chakra, heart center. Breath in till your heart center of your chest, and breathe out. Feel each breath entering in your heart center and breathe out. Feel each breath opening your heart center and breathe out. Feel each incoming breath energizing your heart center and breathe out. Feel each in breath activating your heart center and breathe out. Continue breaths only till the heart center of your chest, and breathe out. This is very important to get a deep, intense experience of Anapanasati meditation. Continue breathing into your heart center and breathe out. Feel each in breath opening your heart center, blooming your heart center, energizing your heart center. Continue. This entire existence is made up of love, joy, and bliss. The trees, the flowers, the mountains, the rivers, the oceans, the clouds, the sun, the moon, the stars, everything, all of them, everything is made up of love, joy, and bliss. That's a fact. If you stand under a tree, continue breathing till your heart center. If you stand under a tree, you may feel the love, joy, and bliss of the tree. You go to some beautiful nature, you'll feel the love, joy, and bliss of the nature within you. The entire existence is made up of love, joy, and bliss. Now with each in-breath, feel the love, joy, and bliss of the entire existence pouring into you. And each out-breath, return the love, joy, and bliss back to the existence. Yes, with each in-breath, take in the love, joy, and bliss from the entire existence. Each out-breath, give out the love, joy, and bliss back to the entire existence. Beautiful. Continue. Each in-breath till your heart center, the love, joy, and bliss of the entire existence pouring into you, pouring into your heart center. And with the out breath, return it back Return it back to existence, the love, joy and bliss you got from it. Beautiful. Continue. And also remain aware of the sensations in your heart center. Breath in the love, joy and bliss of the entire existence within you. Breath out, you're returning back the love, joy and bliss to existence. Beautiful, beautiful. And relax, and relax. Normal breaths, normal breaths, normal breaths. Feel the sensations in your heart center, center of your chest. How are you feeling there? Just feel it within. Are you feeling hot, cold, heavy, light? Any tingling? You aren't feeling anything, no problem. Just remain aware of whatsoever is happening in your heart center. And today, we will love and accept ourselves totally and completely. Love and accept your body the way it is, totally and completely. Love your face. Accept your face, however it is. Love and accept your entire face. Love and accept your whole body. There shouldn't be an inch of your body which you reject, oppose, not accept. It's our body. It's a part of us. How can we reject, oppose, be against any part of our bodies? Love and accept your whole body the way it is. Your entire body the way it is. The same love to the hair on your head, the same love to the toes on your feet. Love each and every part equally. Great. Now love your internal organs also. All our internal organs. Our liver, kidney, stomach, heart, lungs, bones, tissues. Love all of them. They're working for us 24/7. Send love to all your internal organs. If there is any illness within you, any disease within you, any pain within you, today accept that also. Accept it, that it's there within us, it's okay. Anything which we want to go beyond, the first and foremost, it's important to accept it. Even the last stage cancer has been healed, completely healed, just by accepting it first. Till a person doesn't accept it, keeps on opposing it, that person will never overcome the illness within. So if there is any illness, disease, pain in your body, accept that today also. It's okay. I know you are there. Good. Now love and accept yourself also in totality. No one's perfect. No one's perfect here. We all have a positive and negative. We all have a good and bad. Today, accept yourself with also of those things which you feel are not so good about you, which you don't like about you, which you are not happy about you. There may be some things which you are not happy about yourself, which is disturbing you. Today, accept that part of you also. Be it anger, be it sex lust, be it anything. Accept it. It's there in me, it's okay. I accept it. They are also energies. Once we accept those energies, we can easily, lovingly transform it into positivity. First and foremost principle is you have to accept it. Till we go on rejecting it, opposing it, we'll never be able to overcome it, transform it. So today accept even your dark side, your negative side. Also accept something mysterious about you. Even if you're not sure of something deep within, what it is, you're not sure, it's okay. Today accept that part of you also. Accept yourself in totality. Love and accept yourself however you are. Good, bad, negative, positive, bright, dark, everything. I love and accept myself totally, completely. Yes. This will give the power to transform, to heal, to overcome, to excel, to thrive. Great. Now we'll enter Anapanasati meditation. Please sit comfortably with your back straight. You may sit on a chair or on the floor or on your bed, wherever you are comfortable, where you can sit for around 15 minutes. Comfortably, your body should not be disturbed. Back straight. You can clasp your hands like this, in this fashion. Clasp your hands like this and put your hands down. Let it lie down on your lap. Eyes closed. Eyes closed. This meditation was taught by Gautam Buddha. Ana means incoming breath, Pana means outgoing breath, and Sati means to become one with your breath. We'll make an attempt today to become one with our breath. That creates magic. That transforms us, that heals us. That makes the divine enter us, the Supreme enter us, guide us, heal us. It's a very powerful meditation. In this meditation, we simply have to let our mind consciousness be with our breaths. As the breath goes in, let your mind consciousness go in. As your breaths come out, let your mind consciousness come out. Breath in, let your mind consciousness go in. Breath out, let your mind consciousness come out. Easy, natural breaths. Whatever comes to you naturally. No need to lengthen your breath or shorten your breath. Just let your mind and consciousness be with your breaths. As your breath goes in, let your mind consciousness go in. As your breath comes out, let the mind consciousness come out. Wherever the breaths are, let the mind be there. If your breaths are in your nose, let your mind be there. When your breaths are in your throat, let your mind be there. When your breaths are in your chest, let your mind be there. When your breaths are in your stomach, let your mind be there. When your breaths are in your navel or even below that, let your mind be there. And same way on the return journey, breaths navel, stomach, chest, throat, nose. If anyone finds it difficult for the mind to be with the breath in this way, then just focus on the point at the entrance of your nose, your nostrils, where the cool air goes in and the warm air comes out. Just go on watching that point where the cool air goes in, cool oxygen goes in, and warm carbon dioxide comes out. And for those who can, stay with the breaths within. Nose, throat, chest, stomach, navel, and back the same way. Breath in, go in, breath out, come out. Like we go horse riding, we ride on the horse, and wherever the horse takes us, we go, right? Same way, let your mind, consciousness ride on your breaths, totally, completely. And as the breath goes in, let your mind, consciousness go in. As the breath comes out, let the mind, consciousness come out. This is a law, this is science, that when we are with our breaths, we achieve a state of no mind. Gautam Buddha called it Shunya Man. Kabir called it Unmani, no mind. And when we achieve a state of no mind, God, divinity, nature, supreme, whatever you like to call it, enters us, heals us, energizes us, transforms us, takes over us, guides us. Breath in, go in, breath out, come out. This is a great science, great law. Just staying with your breaths. And you get the divine guidance. In case your thoughts wander off, gently, lovingly bring them back to your breaths. Breath in, let your mind, consciousness go in. Breath out, let your mind, consciousness come out. Don't miss a single breath. As the breath goes in, let your mind go in. As the breath comes out, let your mind come out. No thoughts whatsoever of the past. The past is no more. It's gone. It's dead. And absolutely no worries, anxieties, fears of the future. It's not yet. Your full focus, attention on this present moment with your breaths. Breath in, go in. Breath out, come out. Very lovingly take each breath. With fun, with joy, with happiness, take each breath. These breaths are a gift of God, of nature, of divine. They go on their own, effortlessly, without our doing it. While we are walking, eating, playing, sleeping, our breaths go on their own, right? We don't have to take them. They are a gift. Take them very lovingly, each breath very lovingly. Breath in, go in. Breath out, come out. Become totally one with your breaths. We'll go more deep. We'll go more deep. Imagine the whole world is no more. The whole entire world is no more. The only thing remaining is you and your breaths. Forget the entire world for the moment. Just you and your beautiful breaths. Breath in, go in. Breath out, come out. Let this become your entire world for the moment. No more desires, no more wishes, nowhere to go, nothing to achieve. Let go of everything. Just be with your breaths. Breath in, go in. Breath out, come out. Breath in, go in. Breath out, come out. Just you and your breaths. That's your entire world for the moment. There's no other world. Lovingly take each breath with fun, with joy, with happiness. Become completely one with your breaths. Total, complete oneness. Breath in, go in. Breath out, come out. Now we'll go more deep. We'll go more deep. As if you are also no more. As if you are also no more. The only thing obstructing us and the divine nature, supreme God, is our own selves, our ego, our body consciousness, our sense of self. Once we are no more, once we are surrendered, the divine will take us over completely, possess us completely, immediately. So don't worry, don't worry. Feel you are no more. See your body fading away. See your body fading away. Your body is fading away. Your body is fading away. Your body is fading away. You are no more. Just the breaths are. Not you, but some divine energy is taking these breaths. Some supreme power is running these breaths. And that's a fact. That's a fact. The supreme, the divine, the nature, God, whatever you call it, that is running these breaths. That's a fact. So just the breath in, breath out. You are no more. Breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. Just the breaths. Breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. Let go, surrender. Breath in, breath out. These are the moments when we are one with the Divine, with the Supreme. These are the moments when the Divine, Supreme Nature can enter us. Open yourself completely, open your doors completely. Allow the Divine, the Supreme to enter you. Take you over. Let go. Just the breaths. Breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. Just the breaths. Now, very slowly and gently, see your body coming back. Your body is again taking shape. Your body is again taking shape. Your body is again taking shape. Now just you and your beautiful breaths. Breath in, go in. Breath out, come out. Breath in, go in. Breath out, come out. Complete oneness with your breath. Breath in, go in. Breath out, come out. With this beautiful meditation energy, send love to the entire existence. Send your love to all there is. Include everyone, everything. Send your love to the entire existence. Shower, pour your heart out, pour your love to all there is. Let not anyone, anything be excluded. Include all, include everyone, everything. With all your heart, pour your love on the entire existence. Wonderful, wonderful. Slowly, gently, become aware of the room you are sitting in. Become aware of your surroundings. Take a soft, gentle, deep breath in and breathe out. Take another very soft, gentle, deep breath in and breathe out. Another soft, gentle, deep breath in and breathe out. After meditation, there are some energies generated in our palms. Don't rub your palms. Just slowly, gently put your palms on your eyes. Gently press your eyes. Gently press your eyes. Receive those energies within. Allow those energies within. Take those energies within. Taking your own time, no hurry, no rush. When you feel complete, slowly, gently, you may open your eyes. No hurry, no rush. Hope you had a nice, deep, blissful experience. Have a good day ahead. Thank you. Thank you.